guys, welcome to a video, and today we are going to, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a GFX on your computer. So basically, you want to search Blender, and I use 2.79, it's already in my history because I make GFX. And then you want to go where it says 2.7 right here, blender.org, you're going to go there, you're going to click that. You're going to hit download Blender 2.7, which is the old, 2.79, which is the old one. Ignore this. And then, for if you're on MacBook like I am, I'm on MacBook Air. So you're going to hit this one right here, this is where my thing is, Mac OS 10.6 DMG. You're going to hit that one. It's going to start loading down here in the bottom. Then you want to click it when it's finished downloading, and then it's going to say this, and you're going to wait. Now when it pops up, since I already have, what you're going to do if you don't have it, you're going to grab this, and you're going to move it there, if you don't have it. But then, if you do, then you don't need to do that. So then after you do that, you're going to double click this. Then it's going to pop up with a folder that says Blender. You're going to click that, and then go here, and then double click that, and then this will pop up. You're going to hit the one that says Blender, and then you're going to double click this again, and it's going to take you to Blender 2.79. If you guys do not know how to save your character, I can't do it because I messed up my Roblox. Basically, you're going to go to Roblox, you're going to go to create, you're going to get a world, you're going to put your character's plugin, and then you're going to save it. And then when you come here, you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Import, you're going to hit Wait for OBJ, but first, change this to Cycles Render, then Import, Wait for OBJ. Then after you do that, you're going to go to wherever you have your thing saved. I'm going to do mine right here, click it, and then you're going to hit Import. And after you import it, you're going to take this and basically just place it in the middle, or if it spawns in the middle, then it does. To move your screen around, as you guys can see, I can't move my screen. You can either put 2 fingers on the finger pad and slide it, or if you want to move better, hold Shift, then hit F, and now you use W, S, A, D, and Q to go down and E to go up, and then yeah. Then you're going to hit this, and you're going to go to Material. Then after you hit Material, it's going to have all your colors, all that. I'm going to leave my resolution the same. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it as rendered so that I can see the lighting as I'm editing it. And for exposure, I'm going to put it to 5. Just because I like it to be like that. And then I'm going to hit transparent so that I can pick the background for it. Because I don't like when it picks the background. I like picking the background. So yeah. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm going to go to this little earth looking thing. And then you're going to hit ambient occlusion if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But I'm going to do it. And then I'm going to just mess around with it until I like it. So I think I'm going to leave exposure on 1 where it says right here. I'm going to leave that on 1 because since I hit ambient occlusion, it makes it brighter. So yeah. That's how it would look rendered. So now I'm going to go back to Material, and now we're going to basically start editing her. So to edit her, what you want to do is you want to use your 2 fingers on the keypad, double click it with your 2 fingers, then you're going to set origin, you're going to origin to center of mask surface, do that, and then if you want to do multiple limbs, click it, hold Shift, then move it, then click it with your 2 fingers again, and then yeah, and then you're going to have to do it, all the body parts, move it to the center, things like that, yeah. So for mine, I'm just going to give her a basic pose because, this is just a tutorial. So yeah. I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to go here so that I can rotate her arm like that because I don't want to move it a little bit, like a lot. Okay. This is going to need to be turned on. So you're basically just going to edit it to your likings. So that's what I'm doing right now. If you guys never like it, it's fine, but yeah. I'm going to just move this. I don't know how to move her hand, but I'm going to, no. I'm going to, I don't know how I'm going to do her second arm. I think I'm going to put it up. Okay, so I'm going to put this arm up. So, I'm going to rotate the arm like that. So just flip. And now you're going to move this, and you're going to drag it upwards. There you go. And this is how it's going to look. You can also rotate her head and stuff like that. But I'm not going to because I don't need to. But yeah. So then after you did all of that and you have it ready, you can also hit render so you can see how it's going to look. Now what you're going to need to do though, you're going to hit view right here where my mouse is. You're going to hit view. You're going to go to camera. So this is the camera angle where it's going to show you where it's going to look like when it's rendered. So you're going to hit shift F and now move the camera facing whatever you want to face. So if you want it to render like this is how it's going to look, then put it like that. But I'm going to put mine directly in the front so it can get her whole body like this. Done. View, and I'm going to hit camera again, and now I'm just going to, and then I'm going to move back towards her. After I move back towards her, I'm going to hit render, and then hit render image, and now it's going to start loading and all of that good stuff. And while it's loading, you just need to wait. It should only take about 5 to 10 minutes. And if it takes any longer, then that's fine. But mine only takes a few seconds, so I'm just waiting. Just gonna wait. Okay, now what you see, as you guys can see, is done rendering. You can save yours as like this. You can go to File, and you can hit Save As, and then save it as whatever, save it under whatever you want. For me, I could not do mine like that. It didn't let me do it at all. So what I go to is I go to Image, and I go Save As Image, and then I put it under whatever I want to put it under. And then I'm going to name it GFX YouTube Tuts. I don't know why I said it like that. Okay. And I'm going to save it as an image. Now that it is saved as an image, I'm going to move that tab down. I'm going to close all these other tabs because they do stay open. Don't know why. And now you can either edit it on your computer if you like, but I don't edit mine on my computer. I send it to my phone and then edit it from my phone. But yeah, that's how you make basically a GFX. Bye.